Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to draw a dog. So yeah, so if it is not perfect, I am sorry. I'm just here to draw because I love drawing. So yeah, so first you're going to need to draw one eye, and then you could add another eye, and then I'm just going to draw like little pupils. And then you could draw like ears.
You would say I was that lady.
Then you could draw the head. Okay, so that's like a head, and then you could just like draw the rest of the body. I'm drawing the feet, the back legs. Then I messed up a little bit. Like that. And then just like a little tail. You can add like things like that. And then you could draw a collar. You could do whatever background you want. And I'm just adding a sun.